Welcome, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya. Welcome to Kenya Railways. This is Miritini railway station. So this is a TVM machine. It is a ticketing vending machine. So it is a self-service M-Pesa machine. So a customer can decide to come here. You just click here. You select the destination. So maybe you want to go to Mombasa terminus. You just click there. Then you put the number of people. Maybe you are 10. So you just increase the number. So 7 people. Then you confirm. And then you put your number, mobile number that you are transacting with. So 07 48 095173. So you prompt yourself, yeah? Or you prompt your customer now. Yeah, unalipa. Unaweka M-Pesa pin na inakuja hivyo.
The money goes to if it's another.
Yeah, exactly.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, so this is handheld. Yes. So you can even use the handheld. So
it's okay. It's okay.
Good job. Correct. Very good. Good one.
Hey, what?
Miritini mko tayari kumpokea rais? Miritini mko tayari kumpokea rais? Wacha nisikie shangwe.